Don't let contamination take your forklift down, because most hydraulic failures don't happen suddenly. They build up over time. In fact, 70 to 90% of hydraulic system failures are caused by contamination inside the system. That means the real damage often starts long before the breakdown. Even before a failure happens, contamination is already reducing your system efficiency, slowing your hydraulics, and cutting into your productivity. That's why it's important to catch contamination, the silent thief, before it starts costing you time, performance, and money. Hello everyone, welcome back to Lift Parts Warehouse. In this video, we're going to break down how hydraulic contamination affects your forklift, how it enters the system, and what it actually does inside your components. Your forklift is designed to deliver smooth lifting, consistent pressure, and reliable performance. That performance depends on clean hydraulic fluid. Because in a hydraulic system, fluid doesn't just move, it does the work. It transfers force, lubricates moving parts, and carries heat away from critical components. But modern hydraulic systems operate with extremely tight clearances. That means even microscopic contamination, particles far smaller than what you can see, can enter those clearances and cause damage. Once inside, those particles don't just sit there, they get trapped between moving surfaces. They scrape, cut, and wear down internal components. And the damage doesn't happen all at once. It happens gradually. Efficiency starts to drop. The hydraulic response becomes slower. Cycle times increase. In some cases, systems can lose up to 15–20% of their efficiency before the problem is even noticed. That's the equivalent of losing hours of productivity every week without knowing why. So what exactly is contamination? Hydraulic contamination is anything in the fluid that shouldn't be there, and it comes in several forms. Solid contamination is the most common. This includes dirt, dust, sand, and metal particles created by internal wear. These particles act like abrasive material, continuously grinding away at surfaces inside pumps, valves, and cylinders. Liquid contamination is usually water. Water can enter through condensation, leaks, or poor storage conditions. When it mixes with hydraulic oil, it reduces lubrication, causes corrosion, and accelerates fluid breakdown. In many cases, the fluid will appear milky, which is a clear sign of water contamination. Air contamination is another issue. Air can enter through loose fittings, damaged seals, or improper maintenance. When air mixes with the fluid, it creates foaming and aeration. This reduces pressure stability and can lead to cavitation, where vapor bubbles collapse and damage internal surfaces, especially in pumps. There is also chemical contamination. This happens when hydraulic fluid degrades due to heat, age, or when incompatible fluids are mixed. The oil loses its protective properties, and the entire system becomes more vulnerable to wear. Now, let's look at how contamination actually enters your forklift. Contamination doesn't just appear, it gets in through specific paths. One of the main sources is external entry. Every time the hydraulic system breathes, it can pull in airborne particles if filtration is not effective. During maintenance, when hoses, pumps, or valves are removed, the system is exposed to the environment. Even small amounts of dirt introduced during these moments can circulate through the entire system. Hydraulic cylinders are another major entry point. Every time the cylinder rod extends and retracts, it is exposed to the outside environment. If that rod carries dust or debris, it brings those particles back into the system. Then there's internal contamination. As components wear over time, they generate metal particles. These particles circulate through the system, causing additional wear and creating even more particles. This creates a chain reaction. A small amount of contamination turns into a system-wide problem. Once contamination is inside, it doesn't stay in one place. It moves with the fluid. It passes through pumps, control valves, hoses, and cylinders. Because hydraulic systems rely on precise clearances, even tiny particles can disrupt operation. In control valves, contamination can cause spools to stick or respond slowly. In pumps, it can cause scoring, reduced pressure output, and eventual failure. In cylinders, it can damage seals and lead to internal leakage. And as components wear, they generate even more contamination. This creates a ripple effect. More contamination leads to more damage. More damage leads to more contamination, until the system eventually fails. Before failure happens, your forklift will usually give you warning signs. Hydraulics may feel slow or weak. Lifting may become inconsistent under load. You may notice jerky movement instead of smooth operation. The hydraulic pump may become noisy, especially if cavitation is present. Fluid condition may change. It may appear dirty, milky, or foamy. These are not random issues. They are often early signs of contamination inside the system. The good news is that contamination can be controlled, and in most cases, prevention is far more effective than repair. Using clean, high-quality hydraulic fluid is the starting point. Proper filtration is critical to remove particles before they circulate. Maintenance practices also play a major role. Keeping components clean during repairs, protecting open lines, and inspecting seals and breather can significantly reduce contamination entry. Monitoring fluid conditions is equally important. Changes in color, clarity, or smell can indicate problems early, before major damage occurs. Hydraulic contamination is not always visible, but its impact is real. It reduces efficiency, increases wear, and shortens the life of your components. Left unchecked, it can take a fully functioning forklift and turn it into a costly repair. That's why contamination is often called the silent thief, because it steals performance long before it causes failure. If you're maintaining a forklift hydraulic system, using the right filters, seals, and components is critical to controlling contamination. At Lift Parts Warehouse, we supply hydraulic filters, pumps, cylinders, and replacement components designed to keep your system clean and operating efficiently. Make sure you're using the right parts for your machine and following proper maintenance practices. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.